I'm gonna show you how to change your drive monitor switch. That's a switch that has info on it. Select, reset, setup, USM. So I'm gonna show you how to change this switch. Take a screwdriver, pry under it, and then pry a little bit on the side and it'll pop out a little bit. I'm recording this while I'm trying to do it. And then take your hand and pull it out the rest of the way. As you see, I'm pulling it out and the clips are at the top. I'm gonna show you. As you see, those little clips, they just snap in. So once you take it off, you squeeze that little part right here. You can just squeeze it and then pull it out of the connector. As you see, I pushed it in, I pulled it out a little bit while I'm recording, and it slides right out. And that's what this switch looks like. It's pretty easy to change. So to put it back in, just snap it back in the connector. Make sure you turn it the right way, and you push it in, you'll hear it snap in once I push it in. And that's all to it. Very easy to change. All right, thank you. Have a great day.